10, page 11, and last, page 12. Now, if there are no issues arising from the minutes of the previous meeting, we proceed now to the presentation of reports. The first would be the BOD report. Take it away, Sir Emilio.
Good morning po. For the Board of Directors report for the year 2023, we have 250 resolutions approved. This is on page 14 of our annual report. We have made at least 250 resolutions for our regular meeting of the board in 8 meetings. These 250 resolutions will be divided into
Good morning po. For the election committee report, so the election committee po is composed of 3 members.
Committee report presented by Sir Daliper.
Good morning, everyone. So for the audit committee, I am here to represent our committee, headed by our chairperson, Sir Richard, and also another member, Mary Joy also. So for our audit committee report, we will do it horizontally from left to right. For our first key result area, these key RAs or key result areas are the objectives that we have in place even before we started as
Page 20. Page 20.
yes, page 20. Sorry, page 20 of our book. So our first KRA here is to conduct the regular audit services or activities which comprise mainly of financial, operational, and
Thank you, Sir Daliper. Sinati may isang member in the audit committee. Now we proceed to the audited financial management. Audited financial statement. Unfortunately, Mr. Richard Amino, our external auditor, cannot make it today. So we have our accountant, Ms. Hazel. Paging Ms. Accountant at the student. So Ms. Hazel Abelian is our accountant in the cooperative. Hazel, take it away.
Thank you po.
Let's check your seminar program. It's at page 56. 56, please.
So, good morning po everyone. Due to equally important event, hati man mga kumain external auditor tayo. So, masyang po tinanito ka mga present project audited financial statements ng cooperative. Jadi financial statements tayo, kung makita pages 55 to 64 at 100. No, kita tayo project page 57, low objectives kita tayo.
Okay, so now we come to the management report. Sir CEO, Sir Eric, you have the floor. Meanwhile, we would like to acknowledge the guy who came up the stage. He is our University President, Dr. Felipe Salay Pumela. Is he still around? So thank you for coming, gracing the affair of the General Assembly.
Good morning. Hindi Ilocano na yung pagmamagitan sa Tagalog sa Tagalog. Magandang umaga. In English, good morning. So I will be reporting to you our management report for the year ended December 31, 2023. So I will be reporting the summary of our performance for the year ended December 31, 2023. So, this third-year souvenir program, page 36. So, all in all, we reached our target. So, our target for the year 2023 for the membership is 37,650. Our actual membership for the year ended December 31, 2023 is 41,532. Palakpakin, yan. With a positive difference of 3,882. So that's the effect niya. So if we are 3.8 or 3.7 billion asset cooperative. So I think number 2 entire car. As a member of this cooperative. So share capital has a 1.2 billion total asset. Compared to our target of 1.1 billion, of course there is a positive effect or positive increase of 71 billion. Ulit. Yeah? So palakpakan ulit. Ayan. So 7 million. With a number of 112 members who claim for our mutual aid program at 735.21 individual contribution. Next po for the hospitalization assistance. The total disbursement for the year ended December 31, 2023 is 10.1 million. With a total of 437 claimants at 700.18 individual contribution. So moving on to the transport service, our total as of 2023, our transport group has an existing 90 consolidated franchises na. So the 90 na i-breakdown as
I mentioned nga, most outstanding billionaire cooperative in Trinidad. Kasi ano yung categories na pina-awardan nga, billionaire cooperative, small cooperative, and micro cooperative. So, fellow cooperators, ladies and gentlemen, nakita yung amin naging reports, naging accomplishments, iso nga na-reach tayo hindi ko na most outstanding. Patalastas ako, more of my message, enjoy. Basahan nyo ito, ibigay na trivia my message. Kaya tinanong na lang unay, inaalayo ka din amin dividends yun, or di ko na interest on share capital. Di siya nag-utang, at iti patronage refund. Kasi nalakat interest, at dapat iti refund yun, iti interest na bayad yun. So, di siya naabutin ko privilege tayo as members of the cooperative. So, ano ba na nakita din dividend view? You go to the co-op, nakitaran. Patalastas, Siya dividend ko, ako withdraw. Inayang ko, i-share capital ko. Tapos na next year, dagdag ng dividend ko. So I hope you do that also. Thank you for hearing Ms. Matalastas. Now we come to the omnibus approval of the reports for the General Assembly from the different committees and from the management. May we request for an approval or for a motion to approve the report, the different reports presented. Anybody? There are no violent reactions.
Madam Chairman,
Yes,
I
sir.
move that the reports presented be adopted and be approved.
Okay, so the reports has been moved and seconded to be adopted as part of the records for our General Assembly and as part of our cooperative records. So thank you for that. Now, before we go to the open forum, we have the awards. Singit tayo, the award is tayo. So for this year, at isang Apollo, we open next year, ano pa?
Okay, so before the awarding, just a brief overview of what this top 10 performing members award is. We once again call in front Sir David Joseph and Pugnado. Sir, let's give him a round of applause.
Okay, so may pag daw sa patayo amin before award at tayo ligay sa kapulo na pili nga members tayo, ikan na kayo ng ibasit na background na yung award tayo. This is our first time to have these members award. Okay? And I would like to, of course, on behalf of the Board of Directors na kami amin din ang craft, ito yung policy, the members award tayo. And of course, I would like also to acknowledge our staff, especially our membership officer, Jenny Claire Campo, and of course the other staff na screen, nagay aguma potential na awards tayo. Our members,